everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful computer, easy step by step. Let's start drawing. First, I will draw a computer monitor. Next, I'm making two beautiful eyes, like this. Noise. Then I'll draw another line on the monitor. Okay, it's beautiful, wow! I'm going to draw a beautiful keyboard. So friends, be patient. Now I'm drawing keyboard buttons. This is the monitor and keyboard connection. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I am using the orange color in the monitor. Next, I will use the light blue color. Wow, that's great! Green color. This is yellow color. I am using the orange color monitor again. This is a light green color. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!